and I wanted them to have input on possible placement, because a lot of times individuals in your situation don't need to be in the jail, but we've got to make sure we have somewhere for them to go that's a secure facility or a more secure facility than where they were.
Farah Ali on behalf of the Agency for Persons with Disabilities.
Thank you. Can you see and hear all of us, Corporal?
Yes, Your Honor.
Great. Let's take Ms. Ali's case first. I'm sure she's got other stuff to be working on. That State versus Scotty Thornton.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is Mr. McDaniel, has he seen the email you just showed me, Mr. Mitchell?
Let me check and see if he was tagged on it.
Mr. McDaniel, Mr. Mitchell just shared with me an email, and I assumed that you had gotten it too, about the agency's recommended placement at a DDDP program. You have that email, Mr. McDaniel?
I mean, unless it's sent in the last 30 minutes.
I'm forwarding it right now.
Mr. Mitchell's forwarded it to you right now, he said.
I thought he was included in it, but he wasn't.
My apologies about that. I was confused as to who was still the public defender or state attorney. I didn't know if it already got assigned to the division.
No problem. No problem. We'll figure it out. We should be getting Mr. Thornton pretty quickly. Miss Ali, are you the agency for attorney for APD or DCF or both?
For the Agency for Persons with Disabilities only. DCF is completely separate.
Then does DCF have anything to do with Sunland at all anymore? Do they have a program at Sunland or just APD?
It's just APD at Sunland now.
Okay.
Now we know for certain in future cases.
Yeah.
Hey there, sorry to interrupt the video, but I wanted to take a moment to let you know that TCF is a channel that is 100% human created and human driven. There's so much AI slop out there on YouTube right now, especially in the LawTube space, that I think it's important to point out that every video that we have here on this channel is human created, human curated. We make all the decisions, we do all the editing, it's all us. So if you appreciate that human touch and that human interaction, please do consider subscribing to the channel if you aren't already. Leave us a comment on the video, put a thumbs up. Those things really help us. And if you want even more human interaction, consider joining us for our live show every weekday morning. Okay, sorry to interrupt. Back to the video.
Mr. Thornton, good morning. Mr. Thornton, I first appeared you 1 week ago on a new charge of aggravated battery. I asked that you be brought back today because I wanted to give the state time to communicate with the agency for the persons with disability, because there's already some type of civil commitment or some type of commitment in your case. And I want them to have input on possible placement, because a lot of times individuals in your situation don't need to be in the jail, but we've got to make sure we have somewhere for them to go that's a secure facility or a more secure facility than where they were. We have Miss Ali with us today. Miss Ali is an attorney with the Agency for Persons with Disabilities. Miss Ali, what is your position or your department's position, your agency's position on placement of Mr. Thornton?
Yes, Your Honor. So Mr. Thornton has been a 393.11 client with us for several years. And I'm trying to pull up my notes if I could find them. My apologies. My apologies. My computer is not working with me this morning.
It happens to me too, so.
Okay, yes. So Mr. Thornton has been a 393.11 client with us since 1997, meaning he has been residing in one of our facilities, whether secure or non-secure, since 1997. And when this criminal charge happened, Mr. Thornton was residing at one of our non-secure facilities, the Sunland Center, located in Jackson County. And since he has picked up these new criminal charges, we do agree that he needs to receive some type of additional care for his complex medical needs. And we are willing to accept him to our secure facility as opposed to him remaining in the jail while his criminal case proceeds.
Will the secure facility be at Sunland or somewhere else?
It would be somewhere else. It would be 3DP, which is the Developmentally Disabled Defendants Program.
And they don't have that at all at Sunland, because I'm going to do a condition of no contact with the alleged victim, and I want to make sure there's no problems there.
Yes, those are completely different facilities. They're not even in the same county.
Okay. Mr. McDaniel, on behalf of Mr. Thornton, anything that you want to add?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Mitchell, what's the state's position?
Your Honor, I've been in contact with Mr. Gill regarding this. He's the assigned ASA to this case, and he is agreeable to that condition.
Okay, so Ms. Ali, I just need to do a conditional release with the sole condition being that he would reside in the 3DP program. That's what you call it, DDDP. Now you call it 3DP? That he reside
Yes,
in
Your Honor,
3DP program?
I did prepare a proposed order that I'm happy to share with Your Honor. And so basically what I have it listed as right now is just an order transferring him from the jail to the secure facility. Your Honor is welcome to fashion it as a conditional release, whatever you would prefer. My concern is I'm assuming that this case will probably go the 916 route with getting competency evaluations completed. So him being transferred to 3DP will probably just speed up the process of where he inevitably will be if he's deemed incompetent to proceed.
Thank you. Mr. McDaniel, anything else to add?
No, Your Honor.
Does Mr. Thornton have anything he would like to say?
No,
He's fine, Your Honor.
Okay. And Mr. Mitchell, anything else?
I just sent you that copy of the proposed order.
All right, so I'll take a look at that after court and go ahead and make any changes and get that signed. I'm going to sign the order, Mr. Thornton, transferring you to that program. That's going to get you out of jail and get you back to Agency for Persons with Disabilities, Mr. Thornton. And that'll happen sometime today, I'm anticipating. Mr. Thornton, Mr. McDaniel, any questions for Mr. Thornton or Mr. McDaniel on his behalf?
No, Your Honor, we're fine.
Ms. Ali, anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Now, as far as his court date, Mr. Mitchell, I'm going to assume that the state doesn't want him coming back. Has the state filed information?
Let me check real quick.
I'm assuming they don't want him being brought back from program just to have an arraignment done.
Give me a second. It kicked me out of my VPN.
If he's already filed, if the state's already filed information, I'll just go ahead and arraign him today, and we'll get that out of the way and get the public defender's office appointed if there's no objection.
I mean, I wouldn't have an objection, but I got to double check right quick.
It's only been about 7 days, so the state may not have had a chance to file information yet. They have not. So just Miss Ali, Judge Garcia will decide what to do with his court date. Normally his court date would be November the 4th. So Mr. Gill, Mr. Mitchell, I'm going to ask that you communicate with Ms. Simpson, who is in that email chain that you just sent me, and about the possibility of bringing him back. I'm assuming no one wants to bring him back for an arraignment. Maybe they can do it remotely by Zoom. I can't do it today because there's no information filed.
I got you.
So Ms. Ali, the state and defense and Judge Garcia will figure out when his next court date is. Mr. Thornton, you're going to be transferred hopefully. Will that happen today, Ms. Ali?
I'm not sure, Your Honor. The facility is pretty close to Jackson County, so either today or tomorrow.
Okay. All right. I'll sign the orders right after the first appearance. Thank you for appearing, Ms. Ali. Mr. Thornton, I wish you the best.
Absolutely. Thank you, Judge.
All right. Mr. Gill just came in. He may have something to add.
I would propose.
Let them hear you. I want to make sure they can hear you.
Judge, I would propose that the state is intending on filing information. If we can maybe bring him back tomorrow, have him arraigned tomorrow, and then we could consider the conditional release at that time.
Mr. McDaniel, any objection to that? That saves them from having to come back. And the second thing it does, it gets the public defender's office involved so that they can file a motion for evaluation if they decide to do that.
Correct. Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. McDaniel.
I don't have any objection to that, Your Honor. I'm sure,
Ms. Ali.
he'd like to go home someplace, but that's fine.
Ms. Ali.
No objection, Your Honor.
So go ahead, Ms. Ali, if you will go ahead and prepare your people to do the transport tomorrow, tell them it's coming. And then I'll see it first appearance tomorrow. Mr. Gill's going to have the information filed. I'm going to get you arraigned. You're still going to go tomorrow. It's just you'll go after having a lawyer appointed and not before. So I'll see you in the morning. Mr. Thornton.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Mr. Gill, for coming over.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Judge.
Ms. Ali.
Hey, thanks for watching. Please do let us know in the comments what you thought of this video. If you'd like to support what we do here, the best way to do it is to pick up some of our merch. You can find it at courtroomfiles.com.